a poll in front of you people. So make sure you participate in the poll, you provide me with the information so that I can proceed further. Or this information of your right particular branch you're studying right now. Telecommunication branch students, are you a electrical and electronic branch students, or you are a computer science and IT students, or you belong to mechanical branch. And in case if your branch is not mentioned over here, no need to worry about, you can select the last option. Yes, electronic and instrumental students, even they have to select the first option. Electrical and electronic students have to select the second option. Computer science, information technology students have to select the third option. Mechanical students have to select the fourth option. And in case of branch mention, you can select the last option. And my dear friends, how you mark your attendance as well. By selecting your particular branch, you mark your attendance as well. So make sure you select your particular branch, mark your attendance so that we can proceed further in the webinar. I can see most of the corporate in the voting. Okay, so let's proceed further now. The second information that I would like to know from you people is in which particular year you guys are from. If you are doing engineering, in which particular year you are in right now. If you are in first year, if you are in second year, if you are in third year, if you are in final year, whatever year you are studying right now, you can select your respective year. And if you are a faculty member, if you are a professor, if you are a vice principal, if you are a principal, if you are a HOD, then you have to select the last option, that is for faculty. And students have to select their respective years. And I'm really glad to see that the students from second and third year are participating in a huge number as compared to the final year students. See guys, usually what happens when we are conducting this kind of trainings related to placements, the students from final year participate in a huge number because they know after some time they have to go for the placements. After some time they need a job. But I'm really happy for the second and third year students because placement is not an activity for which you can prepare by coming in final year. Yes, if you want to get a dream job, then placement is that part of your life for which you need to prepare from the first year itself. And this thing you are going to realize by the end of it. And that is the reason I'm really happy for the more number of time as compared to final year to prepare for the placements. All right. So now let's proceed further. The third information I would like to know from you people is, yes, previously have requested us to conduct webinar related to the guidance of placements. So on the demand of students, we are conducting this placement oriented webinar. So I would like to know how many people have attended my previous webinars. If you have attended, you can select the first option. If you haven't attended my previous webinar, that's problem. Today's topic is absolutely new. So if you don't know who am I, if you haven't attended any of my previous webinars, you can select the second option. And I'm really happy to see that around 72% of the people have already attended my previous webinars. Wow, it's a huge number, 72%. That means 72% of the people already know who am I. All right, so let's proceed further now. The last question that I would like to know from you people is, how many of you are an enrolled member of my placement course? Now, the students who have attended my previous webinars, they already know what is a placement course, right? In the placement course, we have provided them 11 courses related to the latest technologies to improve their skills. So I would like to know how many people are a part of my placement course. If you are a part of my placement course, you can select the first option as yes. If you don't know what is the placement course and if you are not a part of the placement course, it doesn't matter. You can select the second option. I'm asking this question so that if more number of people are a part of my placement course, I can give some new examples. I can to give these examples. I'm asking you this question. if you are a part of it, then next option is for you. If you don't know what is the placement course, if you are not a part of a placement course, then you can select the second option. And again, I'm happy to see that around 67% of the people are already a part of a placement course. Wow, happy to see that. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for your cooperation. Thank you so much for providing the information. Thank you for your patience. All right. So let's get. Before we start with the webinar, there are two important instructions that I would like to give you in the beginning itself. In section number 1, we have promised that the students who are attending the webinar, they will also get a artificial intelligence course with a certificate. So yes, at the end of the webinar, I will be giving you my artificial intelligence course with a certificate. So at the end of the webinar, I will be giving you the link for that. Instruction number 1. Instruction number 2, I don't know what problem nowadays Zoom is having, but in the between of the meeting, in the between of the webinar, some students are getting a message that the webinar has been ended by the host. So in case if you also getting the message that the webinar has been ended by the host, don't consider that the webinar has been ended. I don't know what problem Zoom is having nowadays since last 5 to 10 days. So in case if you are having the same problem, then you can re-log in back to the webinar. Whatever way you have logged into the webinar, the same way you can log into the webinar again. So these are the two important instructions I wanted to give you people. I hope you guys are clear with the instructions. So can we start with the webinar now if you are clear with the instructions?
एका याच्यावरून ते हे जॉईन करा आणि नागपूरचं.
All right. So let's get started now. First of all, we will try to understand what is the agenda of today's webinar, right? In the beginning itself, you will come to know why you should attend this webinar and what are the things you are going to learn from today's webinar, okay? The agenda of today's webinar is, first of all, we are going to talk about what are the ways of getting a placement. Then we will talk about what are the problems we face in these ways of getting a placement. I'm going to talk about the most important part of your life, that is about ATS, applicant tracking system software. Yes, if you want to stay in good company with higher package, then you definitely need to understand what is ATS and how the is critical. Because of people who are attending the webinar, around 90 to 95% people don't have an idea that what are the criteria the company uses to shortlist your profile. And many people don't even have an idea what is ATS work. Forget about fulfilling the criteria, forget about cracking the ATS to get a job. People are not even aware about all those things. Am I right, guys? Can I have a answer from you people? Do you have an idea what is ATS or how does it work? Do you have an idea? You don't need to. You need that. There's nothing to help me. If you have an idea, you can type an idea. If you don't have an idea, what are the criteria the company uses to shortlist your profile? Or if you don't have an idea, what is ATS and how does the ATS work? You can type no idea. And that is nothing to hide. See, 97 don't have an idea. And this is not the problem. The problem with all Indian students in the entire country. That is the reason, even after doing so that you should make the mistake. Alright, started. First of all,